Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got TCL 40R and let me share with you how to change the 3 buttons navigation into the gestures in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the button and gestures. Let's tap on it. Now let's tap on System Navigation, and of course currently we've got the buttons navigation applied. As you can see here, you can reorder the back button and the recent, so you can customize them. Let's set the gestures navigation. Simply tap on this option, and instead of the 3 buttons, we've got this line which is responsible for some gestures. But before I'll explain everything, I just wanted to show you that we can enter more. And basically we've got 2 different ways of using gesture navigation. So here the one with 1 line, and after tapping on this back from bottom option, we will have, let me show you the guide bar. We've got 3 lines which resemble the buttons, which means that after swiping up in this area, you can go back just like by using the back button. Here you can go directly to the home page, and here you can open. You should be able to open the recents. So this is how it works. And if we will have this back from side, we've got only 1 line, and if you want to get back to the previous page, you have to swipe from the side to the center. You can see this arrow, so you can release the finger from the left or from the right side. It works the same. If you want to get back directly to the home page, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center. It should be a short and quick motion, just like that. And if you want to open the recents, repeat the gesture but elongate it and hold your finger somewhere here. Sorry, just like that, and here you've got the recents. So this is how it works. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.